Hello guys, this is a follow-up to my Color Animation Faster in Clipstudio Paint EX tutorial. This came about after a very good point brought up by HKS Lab 13, which says, the only drawback I'm seeing from this method is it would be more difficult if you want to group change a color part for an animation, unlike making each color part an animation folder and using layer color to change it. And I do understand where you're getting at, and there is a workaround to changing all of a certain layer color at once. However, it does require manually clicking every one of the same color layer that you want to change in each frame. To do so, just click on the layer that you want to change, example, the reds, and then hold Control as you click on the next red color. And you go ahead and continue to do this for all the red. Remember, you have to hold the Control and then left click on the colors that you want to change. And of course, they have to be the exact layer color that you need to change into a different color. In this case, we're changing the character's red dress into a different color. And then once you have selected all of the same color, all you need to do is head back into the change layer color, and let's change it to purple. Hit OK. And as you scrub through, you can see that all of those chosen layers have indeed been changed. And I hope this follow-up tutorial has been helpful. Thank you so much for your question, HKS Lab 13. And thank you guys for watching this follow-up tutorial. Bye!